Connie Ferguson pregnant. The beautiful mother of two and a grandmother is finally expecting a third child after losing her baby not so long ago. It's been said that the outstanding South African actress and CEO of the Fergusons films is now pregnant, and the bump is slowly showing, but she rubs it off by saying that it's happiness that's got her glowing so much, said a source very close to the soon-to-be mother. Connie Ferguson, who's a few years older than husband Sean Ferguson, is known for her top skills on the camera and the way the camera seems to just love her. Her beauty just never fades away, and her love for TV has been perfected, and everyone just loves her. Congratulations to the power couple. Wish you all the best on this wonderful journey.